With our connection established, we'll go over some essential basic commands in administering our server. I'll just go ahead and maximize the window. The first set of commands are known as maintenance commands. These commands are specifically used to keep our server secure and up to date. It's important to run these commands periodically on your server to make sure that all necessary security updates are installed on your system. The first command we'll execute is apt get update. Our system is compiling a list of all available updates and new packages that need to be installed. Once that's done, we need to install the new packages that are available. To do that, run the following command: apt-get upgrade. You may be prompted at certain instances. For example, right now it's asking me if I want to continue. Just type in Y and press enter. So as you can see, there's quite a number of upgrades being performed. So now we've updated and upgraded our system. The system is completely up to date.